Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to create awesome, cool photo shoots in absolutely any style you like. Maybe you found one somewhere on Pinterest or on Instagram, or you just saw a cool picture or some great art or an awesome photo somewhere else. In that same style, you can easily and simply create your own photograph featuring your appearance. The method is very simple and accessible to everyone. We will be doing this using NanoBanana 2. I'll be demonstrating with Syntx as an example, since all the neural networks are gathered here, including NanoBanana 2, of course, our favorite. To register on Syntx, use this link right here. This is a specific link just for our community. It's through this link that you get all sorts of bonuses and awesome perks. So scan this QR code and log in. It literally takes just a couple of seconds and that's it. You can get started. Go to the design section up here and then on the right in the menu, select NanoBanana and preferably NanoBanana 2. You can use Banana Pro, but I think Banana 2 is cooler. Next, the aspect ratio. Choose any portrait orientation you like best. I don't know, 2:3 or 3:4, something like that. Leave the resolution at 2K, that's more than enough. Then upload one of your own photos here. Just drag and drop it like this, or you can click on this icon and insert the prompt. By the way, I've left the prompt especially for you in the pinned comment under this video on YouTube. So just open the comments on YouTube, you'll see only one comment there, and that's where you'll find this big prompt. You don't need to edit it in any way. First, we just upload our photo, then paste the specific prompt right here, and the very last step is to upload an image whose unique style we want to use. For example, I found this really cool piece of art while on Pinterest. I like it, it looks pretty cool. I'm uploading it here. And for the final touch, we just need to swap them like this. Or you can first upload the image whose style you want for your photo and then upload your own photo. The main thing is that your photo should be second, because that's exactly what the prompt says. The first photo is the style we want to recreate and the second photo is mine. So we upload the photos in this exact order. You can pin this prompt right now so it doesn't get lost. And then send a batch of requests just like this to get several different options at once. And choose the one that you like the best. Let's see what we've got. And here are the truly awesome results we get, my friends. Of course, everything is done in the style of this original image. It even added a mask and a halo. It looks very impressive. By using this particular method, we can create absolutely any photo shoot in any imaginable style in just a matter of a few short minutes. Yes, of course, if you want to approach the process more professionally and create really accurate likenesses, as I mentioned, you'll need to check out my comprehensive course Neurophotographer. There, I demonstrate professional methods for creating AI photo shoots. That is the very simple video for us today. I want to thank everyone for participating. On Instagram, we've surpassed 70,000 followers. And on Telegram, we've crossed 9,000 followers. That's really awesome. Thank you, friends. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you all for your participation. I really appreciate it. I'm glad that you support what I do. Of course, this really motivates me to keep creating content for you. Alright, I hope you have a great mood. Let's level up together and enter a brand new era as savvy users of neural networks, because it's these neural networks that will, of course, shape the future of all humanity. And naturally, we need to fully understand these systems and know how to use them well. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Let's go!